guys, how are you? So today we're going to do pad thai, okay? So we have rice noodle. It's a little big, not too small, okay? Not the angel hair noodle, okay? The second one is let's see, I show you this one. So here, this is onion, red onion. So this is medium size. You have like maybe two, okay? Two of red onion. So this one is garlic. So you can have also, this is medium size, you can have two garlic, okay? So two. This is what you have to prepare. Lamb, but we use maybe one or two slice, okay? This is peanut, and then you smash them like to crush them, okay, the small pieces. And then this is a radish, okay? So this one preserved radish, okay? And this one is tofu, deep fry already, so it's like cut to small pieces. And then this is tamarind sauce. The tamarind sauce is pad thai sauce is ingredient. This is already cooked, already made. So pad thai sauce. Okay, let's see what I have next. And then we're going to have like bean sprout. This is for one plate. You just enough how much you need. You just 1 cup is enough, okay? Or if you want more, you can have more. And then I have egg. I put egg because I don't have any meat, so I put egg in my pad thai and tofu, okay? So you need 1 glass of water in case you need for make the noodles soft. Then oil, of course, vegetable oil. First, I'm going to chop this one. This is going to be sliced, okay? So maybe one should be enough because in the sauce already have tamarind, okay? So now garlic. I'm going to chop the garlic. So or you can prepare already chopped, you know. Just make sure, or maybe 1 tablespoon both garlic and the onion, the red onion, okay. See, this is should be enough. You can make it small, like how to say, small pieces, okay? That should be enough, right? And then you can chop this one. This one you can do like a piece. See this, I chop, right? You can see, okay? Now already is like nice. So now I'm going to put tofu, okay? Tofu and radish, and then fry together. Put the noodle. With the water. Now you can put the sauce, the tamarind sauce. So you want to put egg in there, make sure the egg is cooked, right? Nice, right? Then you can. So some people don't want to put egg. They put egg in a separate, but I like to put in here. So now you can put a peanut. Then you can put a bean sprout. Then you just grind. But you don't want to the bean sprout so cooked, right? Wow, smells so good. Let's see. I'm going to put in the plate, okay? So I put pad thai, my pad thai, right? Pad thai with egg. Okay. It's going to be okay. I'm going to prepare for something, right? So now I put a little bit of peanut on top. I put the peanut on top of here. Some peanut, right? Okay, I'm putting in here the vegetable. Okay, and then I'm going to put some the pad thai. I will put these peppers on top. Okay. Some people like it, and then I put lamb over here. Okay, and then I'm going to put a little garlic on top of here. Okay, to make a little tasty and a little nicer. So then people like chili, right? People sometimes they like a chili, so they might put a chili around here. So make sure you give them some chili. Some people don't like, so you don't need to put in the plate, just in the size. Okay. So sometimes people like sugars. Okay, so you put some sugars in here. Maybe just give them a little bit. They eat or they not eat, up to them, You don't need to. They just take out if you don't like it. Okay. So then bean sprout, I'm going to put it around here. Okay. Okay, the fresh bean sprout. Okay, for the pad thai. And then this is another vegetable. Okay, so see now how it look like. Yes, this is my pad thai. So you see closer that vegetarian pad thai, tofu and egg, stir fry noodle, then some tamarind sauce. So I hope you enjoy. Easy, right? I'm going to enjoy my food, my pad thai. So stay safe, be healthy. See you next. Have a good day. Bye.